Here's a simple step-by-step guide to change your birthday on your Google account. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or Android. Scroll down and tap Google, then tap Manage your Google account. You can also do this on a computer by visiting myaccount.google.com and signing in. Once you're inside your Google account dashboard, swipe across the top tabs and select Personal Info. This is where all your profile details, including birthday, are stored. Scroll down to the section called Basic Info. Here you'll see your birthday. Tap on it, and Google will ask you to sign in again for security. After signing in, you can update the day, month, or year of your birthday. Make sure the information is accurate. Google sometimes limits how often you can change this. Once you've entered the correct date, tap Save at the bottom. Google will update your birthday across all connected services, including YouTube, Gmail, and account security settings. If Google doesn't let you change your birthday, it may be because you've edited it too many times recently. In that case, you'll need to wait before trying again. And that's it. That's how you change your birthday on your Google account.